Happy Monday, boys and girls. Today we're going to go over your worksheet packet, okay? So we're going to go over the pages in here, so please take the time to get that out right now. Numbers 2 through 6, it says circle the correct values for the underlined digit in each number, okay? So this number, I want you to say each number out loud, is 173. Remember, we do ones, tens, hundreds, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. So I want you to write this at the top of your paper so you don't forget. Ones, tens, hundreds. So what number is underlined right now? The 3. And there are 2 correct answers in each one. So we know the 3 is underlined, and it also stands for 3 ones because it's in the ones place value. Does that make sense? We're going to move on to number 3. The number is 439, okay? Ones, tens, hundreds. So the number underlined is the 4, and that stands for 400. So right here, which means that we have 4 hundreds, okay? Does that make sense? We're going to do one more together. Number 4, 661. We have ones, tens, hundreds. So we have 6 tens. So where's the number that has the 6 in the tens place? Well, we have 6 tens, which would be 60. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. I want you to do the next 2 numbers. We have 518 and 742. Down below for number 7, take your time to pause the video if you have to. It says use the number to answer each question. It says what is the value of the 9? We have 9 what? All you're going to do is write it out like this. 900. What is the value of the 0? That means there are 0 tens. What about the 2? There are 2 ones. That's all you have to write it out. If you want to write 9 hundreds, then you could write 0 tens or 2 ones. Okay, so those 2 equal the same thing. The number is 902. Number 8, write the number that has the following values. The tens digit has a value of 70. So I'm going to go like this. Ones, tens, hundreds. What number are you going to write in the tens place? The ones digit has a value of 5 ones. What number goes in the ones place? And the hundreds digit has a value of 8 hundreds. I want you to write your number down below. Flip your packet over. Now remember, you can skip numbers 10 and 11. Number 9, complete the chart to find the number. The number has 9 hundreds. So what number are you going to write in the hundreds place? It has 5 tens. It has 8 ones. What is the number? And the last one on this page, number 12. Remember, pause the video if you'd like to answer each question. What is the value of the 6 in the number 862? Listen as I say that, and that's going to give you a hint. 862. Which number here shows the value of the 6 in 862? All right. Next, we're going to start. Remember, we're just digging more into numbers this week and what their values are. So right here we have a hundreds chart. We're starting at 51. I want you to go through and fill in all the numbers. So what number comes after 80? We have 81. And take a look at the pattern as you fill in. The ones continue to go up by 1 in each column, okay? And as we go down in rows, the tens get bigger by 1. Okay, so you're going to fill in that chart, then flip the page, and you're doing the same thing in numbers 1 and 2, okay? And then the convince me, you can skip the convince me today, okay? So in here, all you are doing is filling in the numbers. 412, 413, 414, 415, 416, 417, 418. Now take a look. It doesn't start at 419. It skips ahead a couple. 422, 423, okay? So just cut out part of the chart so it's still going by ones. All right. On the next page, you are filling in the numbers in the charts. So 884, 885, 886, 887, 888, 889, 800. It would be 890, but take a look. Remember that chart's changing, so now it's 894 because it's one before 895. I almost got stuck on that. 894, 895. What numbers come next, okay? That's all you're doing on this page are filling in the numbers before and after. Okay, down below, 456, 457, 458, 459, 460. Okay, 461, 462. What numbers come next, okay? You're doing the same thing for 6, 7, and 8. Skip numbers 9 and 10. All right, now on the back side, you can skip numbers 11 and 13. So let's look at number 12. It says, look for patterns. Yoshi sees a pattern in these numbers. Describe the pattern. All I want you to do is say how much it is going up by. Okay, what is the pattern? What do you see is going on with this group of numbers? Okay, take a look at each number. What is changing in there? Is it the ones, tens, or hundreds? Okay, number 14, use the numbers on the cards. So we have 4 numbers on the cards. Write the missing numbers in the number chart. We have 4 numbers that are missing here, okay? So each card goes in each spot, okay? There's 1 card for each spot. Fill it in correctly. Great job, boys and girls. I can't wait to see how you do on these.